everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial for fine thin hair on myself. Hope you've been enjoying these videos, guys. Today I've read all the comments and it was kind of a bit of a split between easy work styles and occasion hair. This one actually is both, so I think you'll love it. It's a 2-minute style, it's dead easy, you don't need to curl the hair. Let's get started. Just using a bit of product, guys. It's the Sexy Hair Clay Spray for a bit of grip, because obviously, as we know, I've got fine hair and it can get quite slippy, so it'll just help me tease it out for the second part of this style. So the first part's going to be more like work hair and the second part's going to be more like occasion. So I've just left these little bits out like I do every week. You'll see on all my other videos in this playlist. And I just like to kind of hide that area there a little bit. And I'm going to be doing the zigzag like I did last week for the braids. So just literally taking my comb back and forth all the way down. Okay guys, and I'm just going to tie up one side out the way. Okay, so super simple, we're not braiding today, we're just going to be twisting. And when I say twisting, I just mean one way, we don't even have to sort of do 2 strands. So you're going to take a small section of hair from the top. I'm going to lift my hands up, so I'm not coming at it this way, I'm going to come at it this way. So one arm's round the top, one arm's kind of sitting here. This hand's going to be feeding in the hair, and this hand's going to be twisting away from the face. So twisting away, feeding in, twisting away, feeding in, twisting away. And what's going to happen is, it looks like I'm only feeding hair in from this side, but in a minute as I come round, it will actually start feeding in from the top as well. So just keep going down all the way to the nape of the neck. So I'm just going to keep going all the way, twisting, 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 and right down to the nape. And then I'm just going to pop an elastic in the bottom there, and we'll sort out the ponytail at the end. I'm going to make it into a little twist bun. Okay guys, exactly the same on this side, but obviously now the left hand's coming up and over. This is the one that's feeding in the hair, and again we're twisting away from the face. So just taking a small section. So are you enjoying these DIY videos that I'm doing on myself? And would you like me to do more? Because obviously I've only ever really done hair on other people for YouTube. I've never done this before, so yeah, if you're enjoying it, drop me a comment. Share the videos for me, that'd be amazing. And let me know. I'm just going to kind of grab all that hair together and pop it into an elastic. So with the little ponytail, I don't feel like that's quite enough hair just to kind of leave down like that. It just looks a bit flat. But you could definitely do it if you've got a bit of a curl or a little bit more hair. But today I am just going to split these into 2 and just do a quick twist braid. Just literally wrapping them over each other. And then I'm just going to take my fingers and just tease this piece of hair out to make it bigger and fuller. And then I'm just going to kind of put this around, tuck the tail in, and just kind of like roughly pin it. So that is the sort of more work one, I think. It looks kind of smart. I'll just kind of do a little spin that way for you. So it's all kind of tucked in, it's all neat, it's really, really, really quick to do. So I'm just spinning back and forth. So, but what you can do is we can sort of make it more evening, more occasion. I'm just going to use a little, it's like a soft hold hairspray. So just be really careful when you do this because it's easy to make it come loose. So I'm just going to do a little mist. And then I'm just going to get my fingers and hold with one hand and pull against with the other. Just to sort of make it a little bit more. And I'm also going to pull the hair that's going in as well. So this is the style finish, guys. You've got the like sort of tight version, you've got the pulled out version. I think you could stick a bit of like baby's breath, gypsophilia in there, make it much more sort of occasion hair. Just be careful when you're pulling out that you don't make it too loose. Which one do you prefer? I think I prefer the second one. I think this one on my face. But yeah, you could definitely go really, really tight. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to tune in next week for another video. Bye.